In this video, you'll learn how to transfer USDT from Binance to OKX. By following these steps, you will successfully complete the transfer process and manage your tokens efficiently. Start by logging into your OKX accounts. Once you are on the main dashboard, locate the wallet option in the navigation menu. Click on Wallet and then select Deposit from the drop-down. This action will take you to the deposit page where you can specify the token you wish to deposit. On the deposit page, you will see a list of tokens. Find and select USDT from the available options. After selecting USDT, you will need to choose the network for the transaction. Typically, TRC20 is the most cost-effective and fastest option for transferring USDT. So select that network. Once you make your selection, your USDT deposit address will be displayed. Copy this address as you will need it for the next step. Next, navigate to your Binance account. Log in and go to the wallet section, then select Fiat and Spot from the menu. In this section, look for the withdraw option and click on it. This will direct you to the withdraw interface where you can specify the details for your USDT transfer. In the withdrawal interface, select USDT as the token you wish to withdraw. After selecting the token, paste the OKX deposit address that you copied earlier into the designated field. Ensure that you select the same network that you chose on OKX, whether it is TRC20, you're another option. Enter the amount of USDT you wish to transfer, keeping in mind any withdrawal limits or fees that may apply. Before finalizing the transaction, double-check all the entered details, including the address, network, and amount. This verification is critical to ensure your funds reach the correct destination. Once you confirm that everything is accurate, click on the withdraw button to initiate the transfer. You may be prompted to complete two-factor authentication to secure the transaction. Follow the instructions provided to complete this step. After you have submitted the withdrawal request, you will need to wait for confirmation of the transaction. If you selected TRC20, the transfer usually completes within a few minutes. However, if you chose ERC20, be prepared for a longer wait time and higher transaction costs. Once the transfer is confirmed, you will see the USDT reflected in your OKX wallet, indicating that the transfer was successful.